Hello students, this is an important update about navigating your Blackboard site. It refers to how to access the lab manual. In my prior video I showed you how to access the lab manual, and it turns out that I can do it this way but students can't. So I'm going to show you our Blackboard site and show you how you're going to access the lab manual itself. So let's get to our Blackboard site, if I can find it. Okay, here we are. I am going to open up my Blackboard site for section 901. Other sections should look quite similar, but have different pictures and such. Okay. Now I told you in the previous video, hey, just click on the lab manual link and you'll be able to access the introductory documents that you'll need to read every week before your pre-lab quiz. Well, I don't think you'll be able to use this link. So some of you might be able to, but I'm going to show you another way to access this document. You're going to need to go to the GBSU Save button where the lab manuals and the pre-lab quizzes are located. I'm going to click on that link. And then I see a lab manual link, and I think it might work, but it doesn't seem to. At least that's what I'm hearing from some students. So don't click on the lab manual link. Instead, click on the Achieve Lab Exercise Materials and Pre-Lab Quizzes. And this will open up the Achieve Materials, which has course content and assignments. So you could flip back and forth between your assignments and your course content. The course content has materials for the lab syllabus and lab safety and for exercise 1, but unfortunately it doesn't have the document for like the introduction to the lab that you need to read before the pre-lab quizzes. So before I take the pre-lab quiz for exercise 1, I'm going to click on that exercise 1. I see the pre-lab quiz. Don't take it until you've read the documents. But how do you get to the lab manual? Okay, to get to the lab manual, you're going to need to go to the top right corner of your screen, and I see my name. You're going to see your name, I hope, and you can click on the triangle menu, and you'll see a few things like Account, Read eBook, Download eBook. Okay. I'm going to read my eBook on the Vital Source bookshelf. So I'm going to click on that link. If you've never been to Vital Source before, you'll need to sign up for an account or sign in for the account if you've done it already. Sometimes my computer is already signed in, so I can't show you that on my video. But what you should see is a place where you can sign in for this particular library or where you can sign up for an account. That should be free. You should be able to create your own username and password, and then you should open up to the lab manual. Let's hope that this works really well. So I'm going to go about changing the Blackboard site and removing some links, like removing the lab manual link from our Blackboard site. Let me just show you that, and then I will call this video quits. I don't know where I am. So for example, I'm going to remove the lab manual link from our site because it doesn't seem to be working. I'm going to remove the button on the left called Lab Manual because it doesn't seem to work. And you'll only be able to access the lab manual through this GBSU Save site, and I might rename this GBSU Save Achieve Lab Exercise Materials and Pre-Lab Quizzes. So this update is going to be really important for accessing the lab manual. And I think that's everything. Hopefully it's good.